Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see about eclipses. Human beings have always wondered about nature and tried to find explanation for the things that they see. One thing that people tried to find an explanation for was eclipse, when the light of the sun or moon is hidden. An eclipse happens when one space object blocks the light of another. There are two main types of eclipses, solar and the lunar. A solar eclipse is when the sun is partially or completely hidden. While moving along its orbit, the moon moves between the sun and the earth. The moon blocks sunlight and casts a shadow on earth. This is called the solar eclipse. There are different types of solar eclipses: total solar eclipse, partial solar eclipse, and annular solar eclipse. What do you observe here? We can observe the shadow of the moon falling on the earth. Are the shadows same? No. The darker part of the shadow is called the umbra. The part of the earth in umbra will have total solar eclipse. The lighter shadow is called the penumbra. The part of the earth in penumbra will have partial solar eclipse. These shadows causes the sky to darken, almost like twilight, even though it's daytime. Birds may stop chirping and nocturnal animals might become active, mistaking the eclipse for nightfall. Now let us see about lunar eclipse. A lunar eclipse happens when the earth moves between the sun and the moon. The earth blocks the sunlight from falling on the moon, and the earth's shadow falls on the moon instead. A lunar eclipse can be seen during the night. Now observe this. What do you see? We can see the earth blocking the light of the sun. So, the darker shadow of the earth is called the umbra and the lighter shadow of the earth is called the penumbra. In a total lunar eclipse, the moon does not appear totally dark but looks slightly reddish. In a partial lunar eclipse, only a part of the moon moves into the earth's shadow. The earth's shadow appears dark. Why scientists study eclipses? To learn about the moon's surface and earth's shape. The timing and the path of eclipses also helped early astronomers refine models of the moon's orbit and its distance from Earth. Ancient civilizations used eclipses to develop calendars and predict celestial events. Let's recap. An eclipse happens when one space object blocks the light of another. Solar eclipse happens when the moon comes between the earth and the sun. Never look directly at the sun during the solar eclipse. Use special eclipse glasses. Lunar eclipse happens when the earth comes between the sun and the moon. It's safe to watch a lunar eclipse with your eyes, no glasses needed. Let's take a quiz. A solar eclipse takes place when the sun blocks the moon's light from the earth, the moon blocks the sun's light from the earth, Venus or Mars blocks the sun's light from the earth. Which is the safest way to view a solar eclipse? Staring without eye protection at the eclipse? Binocular, a pinhole viewer. During a lunar eclipse, what color does the moon appear? Reddish, yellowish or bluish? Pause for a moment and think. Here comes your answer. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for notification.